So here we're going to look at a little section that comes up quite a lot on the Cobridge Test Centre routes. A lot of people think you don't go into the Newcastle sort of area, but you do. Okay, so sometimes they don't practice this area, but it's important too. So we're going to come into like the Newcastle one-way system. So I'm going to give you some tips that you really want to use. And that is, we are bearing round to the left, but I would strongly advise you to be in the right-hand lane. It's not a problem being in the left-hand lane. As this person on their test, they were in the left lane. Okay, so both of these roads, it's a one-way street, follow around. But it does mean, because on the roundabout that we're going to come to, you are going to go right. I'm going to say that here. You are going to go right once you get to the roundabout. Now, the sat nav says it's the third exit, but this is where people get confused, because the examiner will come in and say it's the fourth exit. So watch this person. They've come over. They've gone into the correct lane. At the moment, there's no road markings there. So we're hoping there will be road markings soon. But this is where the doubt comes in. Can you see they've gone over? And unfortunately, that's where they've moved across. And the foul point there was changing position, no mirror checks. So some good tips are, if you are in a situation where you think, I'm not sure where I'm going, then go the way that you are. And you won't foul for going wrong correctly. So you won't foul for going the wrong way correctly. So unfortunately, this person failed there. Apart from that, really fantastic drive.